So this is a site of a guy called Mpo. We are assisting him, and that mound of soil comes out of a 4.5 meter deep pit by about 6 meters. They had to go make a huge pit because the pipe burst. How's it?
So,
Good, man.
so have they appointed a contractor?
Yeah, they've appointed a contractor. How long have you been without water?
It's been 9 days.
9 days, no water?
Yeah.
Shit. Oh, were you guys running to try and get the truck?
Yeah, I see the truck just turned around now. So
I'm making a video for the people in the trenchless business, because our business is fixing these sort of pipes.
Yeah.
So they've given us an order today, so hopefully we can do it for you. And at our factory we're going to start preparing the liner, and then a little bit later the main contractor is going to empty the water, and then we're going to send our equipment through to that side without digging.
Is it? Can you do that?
I'm
Actually,
I'm going to repair your pipe without digging.
Okay.
And then I'm going to put a liner in. This is a 600 millimeter pipe.
It's a 12 inch.
No, 12 inch is 300 millimeter. 12 inch is the size of my steering wheel.
Oh, yeah.
This is double the size of my steering wheel. Yeah. That's the size of the pipe, and it's a pressure pipe. What's your name?
Lisiba.
Sorry?
Lisiba. I'm a chairman of board here.
Oh, okay. No, you can tell your people that, and the people that they will disperse.
Yeah, that's basically what we're waiting. We're waiting for them to see the contractor on site. There's no fighting.
Yes.
We had to do this to get attention of the.
You had it, I know.
So you can see the people are peaceful and all that. The only thing that we're waiting for, we said we agreed with the people from the mayor's office now.
Yes.
We will leave, but we'll only leave when there's a contractor on site. We're not going to disrupt anything, but we want to see contractor on site.
Yes.
That
Look,
is the.
I think the fact that you've burning tires and putting rocks on the road got their attention, and they actually said to me that they're quite lucky that this hasn't turned too violent.
Yeah, we're not violent. We're mostly professionals that are staying.
Yes, you can see these are nice houses that have got no water. There must be a few thousand people without water.
Yeah, it's a lot. It's a very big impact. I mean, it's been 3 days. I was here for a few days with the guys that were trying to resolve the issue. But they said they're waiting for specialists now. And
they finally got us. And what we are trying to do is to work together with Ekurhuleni, that we have a skills transfer so that the locals here can actually do their own repairs.
In future. Yeah.
In the future. And
that will be great.
We're going to be training Mpo on site. Our whole aim is, so hopefully something good comes out of this. And then how many people do you think are affected by this? How many thousands of people? What districts have got no water?
So there's more. There's a very big impact because only this community, which is the community that I serve, we've got 1,800 units.
1,800 units, and then each unit must have.
Each unit, let's say 4 guys in each unit.
Yeah.
So you can say 1,800 times 4.
Yeah. So
it will give you.
Almost 8,000, 7,000, between 7,000 and 8,000, and then in the rest of the areas.
Then you've got a settlement that's behind us, so maybe another 1,000 or 2,000 houses there.
Yeah.
Let's say about 1,006 or so maybe. So it's also affected. So the problem, the other areas like Eden Park and all that, apparently there's a bypass line
going to the other people.
So they're not getting enough pressure, but at least they're getting something.
Okay.
Here we are sitting on the main line, so there's no bypass. As long as this is not working, we are directly affected.
Sir, it was good to meet you. You'll definitely see contractors on site today.
Okay, no, that will be great. So you say maybe in the next few hours there will be someone here.
Apparently Mpo will be in 1 hour, and they'll see action. The people will see action. Then hopefully
then people will disperse immediately. As soon as people are here to start working, they said they're not leaving up until this, because there's been 3 days without any movement.
Yeah, I know.
So then you know that there's no solution.
And 9 days without water.
9 days without water. It's a lot. You'd know. It's a big impact.
Sir, have an awesome day.
All right.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Dion.
Okay. Pleased to meet you.
You too, eh?
All right, man.
Cheers.